Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Here we have a Breville, grinds, tamps, makes espresso. Let's do espresso, grind. Tamping. Nice even puck. We'll go into brew. Oops, excuse me.
Oh, can you hand me that cup, Chris? Please. Alright, so we're just getting the cup because I stole Andy's cup and he's like not ready because I stole it.
Brew. There we go, a little count up for the brew. Should be a nice approximate 2-ounce shot. And
1 ounce because it's a single.
it's test coffee, so some crema, but a good coffee shot. There we go. And then we'll show the steam. See if I do this correctly.
Alright, so it's working.
Should stop at 150. Oh.
It stopped because you pulled it forward, but that's fine, it's working well.
Yep.
That's cleaning.
Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell.
Great, thanks.